Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, there's a question on board on the chat thing. It says, Shalom Kod Rav, Moadim Lesimcha. Thank you very much for the Shiur, Baruch Hashem. I have a question regarding to the Mitzvah of helping a poor person without him asking for it. If this poor person doesn't want to accept the tzedakah because it's stubborn and it hurts his gava, or in the second case, if we are in some big need, we're in big need, Haz v'shalom, them in the first case, or us in the second case, could we be punished for this huge gava? I mean, the first person because of being stubborn, and the second case.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Let's apologize. Let's do the first case. So we're actually going to speak about it. So some people, it's not maybe gava. Some people have this pride, and it says clearly. So if person is in need of tzedakah, and he pushes away. Okay, you know what? I know I'm entitled to get tzedakah, but not today. Until next Wednesday, I have enough. I say, what are you talking? Yeah, we have enough. We're going to survive. And when next Tuesday something came up, right? This, and he pushes off the tzedakah. So Torah says he's not going to die until he would be in charge of big tzedakah funds. So that until he would be able to give tzedakah to others. But it's a very thin line. But it's also, you can say, stubborn person. On the other hand, if person says, okay, we're not going to take tzedakah because it's beyond our dignity, and guess what? And the wife is suffering, and the kids are suffering, everybody's suffering, but he's a big hero because he goes to whatever, and they can give him a little food. So that's gava, clearly. So that person is actually, he's going to be judged as a killer, right, of his family. That's not right. So whatever you do, like with you can apply the biggest stringency, but family has to stay healthy and then survive. If you're entitled to give tzedakah, you just take tzedakah. That's another mitzvah to get tzedakah and bless this person, give it tzedakah. There's no problem. Okay. Okay, so let's do second part, please.
Yes, so if a poor person doesn't want to accept the tzedakah because it's stubborn and it hurts his gava, or if we are in some big need, Haz v'shalom, so could we be punished because of this huge gava? In big need, I guess this person or this group of people would be like embarrassed of receiving the tzedakah. I guess that's what the question means.
So exactly. Perhaps. So that's it's a very good point that you just brought up. So we cannot judge that they are like always. It's always gava. It's all because of all pride. Sometimes they embarrassed, and like sometimes immigrants come from different country. And in their country, the guy was a doctor, he was a professor, he was in charge of factory, and now he does not speak a few words of English, for example, right? And he has to go and be a dishwasher in a restaurant, right? With all of the other undocumented people. You understand? Because that's the only place that they hire him. So for that person, it's like he suffers so much. You said Gava, it's like suffering. He was a professor. People come to him. He was invited, and I knew few people like that. More than few. One of them were a musician, and he showed me, and he played in that country, like a big orchestra, and he showed me like all of these pictures. Not all of them. I didn't have time to look at all of his pictures, but basically, and he became like alcoholic, right? Because of that. So is it because of gava? It was because of I don't know, because of other reasons. So the person felt very down, and he was like humiliation to take something from him, like from us, was humiliation for him, right? He played in the orchestra, I don't know, in different European country, and now he's like, alcoholic. He cannot. He was working on a job like parking cars, and he lost even that job. Very, very sad. So I would not say that everybody has gava, but everybody have the circumstances. Let's not judge him. And we're going to see there's other options. So in order, so even if a person has gava, but he needs help, and sometimes you have this stubborn child. If you're going to go head to head, nothing is going to happen. And since same with spouses, right? So I have to be a little smarter. So and with this guy, say, look, I can give you a loan, right? So you can pay me back in 5 years. Well, there is no rush. Wherever you can pay me, you can pay me, right? But until you get the job, no, I just don't want you to have this pressure. So I have this extra money. I will save that for my retirement. I'm going to retire it in only 15 years. Who knows if I'm going to live that long? But you enjoy. You understand? So then when a person says, you want to give me a loan, there is no problem. Loan, I'm willing to accept. I'm going to pay you back. He's going to repeat the 17 times he's going to pay me back. Okay. In your mind, you say it's 100% tzedakah. He forgets it's tzedakah. So I'm telling myself now it is tzedakah. So it's not like he's obligated this and that. In mind, like it's the tzedakah, but we call it loan. So in order for him to accept it, otherwise he would not accept it because of gava or because he's very embarrassed. So and not everybody can accept gifts. You understand? But some people, they accept gifts so much, they're so grateful, and we learn it. Maybe one day we're going to learn Michtav Meliyahu and Rabbi Dessler. That Sal said that's unbelievable. So this person is actually who can accept gracefully. So he's a giver. So he gives you so much blessing. He gives you so much good in return that you whoa, stop! I want to give you more. That's it. You bless me. You give me all of these compliments because of this. Oh, please! I'm so embarrassed. I want to give more to you. I want to give. I want to start giving. I never gave in my life. I saw you in need. I gave you one time. So now I want to start giving. You understand? So that's there are people like that, and some people, they feel like embarrassed. They're going to hate you. Like after you gave him like a piece of bread, they like want to kill you. Right? That's not normal people. Okay. You're welcome. So all right. So go ahead. That was the second part, I think. Right?
Yeah.